Yeah. So how was the day?
Yeah, the day was great.
Yeah. So which course did you enroll in, Sarthak?
Yeah, I enrolled in certified business analyst using Python.
Okay. So how was the experience during the course?
The experience was great, and the best part about the training, what I like, is was a Henry Harvin portal. Like in that portal, we can get all the recordings plus the study materials that were used in the training. So we can go through the recordings as well, and we can revisit the concepts if we want to. And there are extra materials as well. So that is the best part about the training.
Yeah, perfect. So what about the trainers? So did you find the sessions interactive? Were you able to engage with the faculty?
Yeah, the faculty did his work very well, and there were a lot of non-tech colleagues as well with me who were doing the training. So he was able to explain the concepts very well, and the sessions were really interactive. Like he was able to clear our doubts, and we were able to understand the concepts.
Yeah. So how did you manage your college life studies and the Henry Harvin course certification?
Yeah, basically, colleges were on Monday to Friday, and we were having the training sessions on Saturday, Sunday. So it was like 2 hour sessions on Saturday weekends. And on weekends, I used to go through the recordings as well and do some quizzes as well that are available on the portal. So yeah, that's how we managed.
Yeah. So how did you get to know about Henry Harvin certification training?
Yeah, so we get to know about the Henry Harvin certification and this course, especially from our data analytics club of our college.
Okay. So will you be
Yeah,
recommending someone for these certification courses with Henry Harvin?
yeah, yeah. Surely, I have already did recommend to my friends,
Okay.
and I would surely recommend to those who are looking for or learning in the data analyst role or for a business analyst role, or they have to make their career into that. So I would recommend them to take this course.
Yeah. So thank you, Sarthak, for your review, for
Thank
your
you.
wonderful review.
Thank you.